Hello plant friends, so today it's going to be like a little bit of a vlog style. I really don't know what to say as an intro because like it just came out of my head. Like I just ended up thinking of this idea and I was like, let me just film it for tomorrow because like I don't have a video for tomorrow, and so here I am making one for tomorrow. So I'm trying to like step up my Instagram plant game because like I don't know why, but I'm really enjoying these like plant people's like Instagram themes or like the way they like post their pictures and decorate with their plants. It is the most therapeutic thing to look. And then I started thinking, oh my god, like my plant setup is not on point. So today I'm gonna try and attempt to like have a better background and just step up my plant game on Instagram because like who doesn't want to have a beautiful Instagram page? Nobody, just me. Okay. I'm sorry about the mess. I'm a messy person. This is real life. As you guys can see, this is how I have it right now, and I'm going to be like setting it up and just plantifying this entire wall. Yeah, so I might need to move this bed over here. I'm just so excited how it's gonna look with all the plants. Let's get into the time lapse. So here is an update. I'm really obsessed how it's turning out. I don't know why, but I just love the energy, and it just feels so good in here. Like I just love it, especially this humongous Transina that I ended up getting from the living room, and I placed it in my room because it brings it into like, it just makes it feel more jungly, and I love it a lot, you guys. Like I just love how it looks. The only thing I have to do is obviously organize my bed. I'm thinking of making this table a little bit like have a bit of putting my humidifier, but my computer's over here and also the AC was like right next to like the desk, so I don't know if it's going to be efficient. I'm still gonna try to put the humidifier. I might place it on top so like let the humidity go down. I still don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm like really excited because like I ended up finding a piece that I lost. Where is the humidifier? Where did I start, girl? This one. I ended up losing it and I found it, and it's to like redirect all the humidity, and I'm just so excited because like it's gonna turn out so good. But like let me show you guys I placed it in the greenhouse and I was like, oh my god, it's going to be so humid in there. She's gonna love it, and it turned out being way too warm in there. So one of the new leaves ended up dying off, so I just took it away. This is a new leaf that survives. It is pushing out a whole different leaf. You pull it up, there you go. So that's pretty good. And then another one, and it's releasing a lot of these like little shoots. I am not sure, so if you know, please let me know. I feel like it's like new branches, but I'm not sure yet. And here's some of the leaves that I ended up cutting off because like it just looks so bad. So yeah. Oh my god, it's so sad. But I'm gonna place the grow lights on her and the humidifier, and hopefully she's gonna bounce back and just get back how she was, looking all cute and everything. So yeah, let's start another time lapse and let's get into it. time-lapse I've ever done in my entire life. I think I've like achieved the jungle vibe now. So some of these plants were outside, some were at the greenhouse, some were in my living room, and I decided just to put it in my room. I also have my humidifier, which I love so much, you guys. Like, it's really great. I do need to buy more purified water. I ran out, so I need to go tonight. I can't get over it. Like, this is something that I can work in forever. Now, some of these leaves do have to get cleaned out. I might make a video on cleaning my houseplants, so I might do that. If I do, stay tuned. And yeah, now I do need to like reorganize some other plants. Some plants do need water, like this Syngonium arrowhead white butterfly needs a little bit of water. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was very random. Now I need to organize the bed as well. I might keep you guys updated on the end. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Missing someone.